when what I am feel in this journey, why I am started this language, what I am faced, I am explain with honesty. When I am, if I am wrong, I don't care. I am right, I really appreciate with me, right? Because if I am not speak any language, so how I can improve my language? So I am started this channel. Har Har Mahadev everyone, Jai Shri Ram. And my name is Vinu. I hope you are well doing, guys. I am also good. Why I started this YouTube channel? Because many channels on YouTube, English, learn English with me, learn English with me, speak fluently like that, etc., etc. But anyone don't share main problems of this learn English language, right? So I feel, when I feel this problem, so anybody feel this problem, right? So I am open this channel and I feel that problem, so I share with you in a honest way. When I am wrong, I don't care about that my mistake, because if I am wrong, so in a day I am correct, right? So I started this YouTube channel. I am honest with you, so please you also do honest with me and do 45 minutes already practice me, ठीक है? This is my day 1 on YouTube channel, and actually I am learning a new skills with you. I am learning English speaking at home with myself. So I started on YouTube channel my experience with you and my practice also. So I hope you don't judge me, and please support me in this language. If I am wrong, please do correct me. Actually, because this is my learning phase and I really don't know how can speak, how can learn, how can improve in this language at home myself. So I started, just I'm started this journey with you, so you help me, right? So many people are just speak, that's it, don't share main problem. So I will share with you main reason, what's the main reason of this learn English language, I am share with you. So I hope you learn me with me and watching me. If you are watching me, so please do subscribe our YouTube channel, because I am share with you my honest journey and honest review. When I am wrong, I don't care about that. I am wrong, yeah, I am not wrong, because I am that time not wrong. So when I correct, and right, so I am a girl and also boys, so we can do it, right? So this is the my day 1 21 days challenge. First of all, I am taking a 21 days challenge, because you already know, if I am completely consistent with consistent started this journey 21 days challenge, so it's automatically add in my habit, right? So I am just started 21 days. So first of all, what to do in a day in 21 days. So and also I am what I am doing. Actually, I am not speak with tutti frutti English. Yeah, to break English. So how can improve my English, right? I am comfortable in Hindi, I know, but I am just speak in English on this channel. I am promise with you, and also please promise with me. You also speak with me and make a video and share me with me, right? I'm started, so you also started, right? I know I'm wrong, but I'm just practice. Please don't judge me and don't please mind me and please support me, right? So one, any teacher, any YouTuber creator don't explain any solution, what's the main what to do for in a day. I am explain with you in a day what to do for learning this speaking, right? Now, first of all, I am taking this help paragraph. I am heading, right heading on this paper, because what to do and what I am saying. So first of all, 21 days challenge with me, learn English with me before 2026. Actually today is 13 December and I have just 31 7 और 11 मतलब 18 डेज है, तो कोई नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, 3rd जनवरी या I am speak little bit speak on before 2026, right? So I am started, set. First of all, 21 days challenge English with me, right? Start learn English with me before 2026. I started journey with you, right? So I want your 90 minutes in a day. I just 45 minutes in morning time and 45 minutes in a evening time. And what to do in 45 minutes? How I am say with you. So first of all, I am reading loudly. 50 minutes. That's it. And you also read any kid book. Yeah, if you have like any children book, any sister brother book, stories book, right? When are you comfortable, you just read. I am comfortable in this book, and I am purchased this on Flipkart. So I started with you, and how to start I am just show you with example. And in this first of all I am learning this because it's very important for me, so also I am learn this. My father's advice for learning English, right? This is the our story. This is my story when I am starting in 15 minutes. That's it. One day I asked my father, can you give me some tips to learn English? Right? You learn loudly. If you don't if you don't speak loudly, so your tongue is not comfortable with English words, right? So please do loudly and please read loudly. Okay. My father smiled and asked, why do you feel that you are not learning English? Right? I replied, I forget things. I read a lot in a day, but after 1 or 2 days, everything goes blank. This is the main problem with me. I can't remember anything. Right? My father thought for a moment and said, okay, so the problem is that you forget what you read. Right? Come with me on a small tour. ठीक है, तो I will give you some advice that will stay in your mind and heart forever. Right? मतलब I choose this story because I know it is help me, and also you also help with you, and you also help for this video, right? Sorry, story. I was curious and excited, so I agreed to go with him. First, my father took me to a roadside dhaba. He pointed at a man baking chapatis on a hot pan. He asked, look at the chapati. If that person does not turn it over every few seconds, what will happen? Actually, when you read this story, so feel you in imagination. You walk with your dad and feel like a hotel ya dhaba and make a man chapatis. Like, so you please feel in your mind so that you remember this story in your mind, also in your tongue, right? When you read loudly, so you also read first, second thing eyes you watch, and third is ear. So you are your word, your vocabulary in mind in 3 times, right? So I am saying is so that I am saying you please read loudly, right? First of all I am read loudly and then I am said you. He asked, look at the chapati. If that person does not turn it every few seconds, what will happen? I replied, the chapati will burn and become useless. My father smiled and said, good. Now let's go to the next place. Next, he took me to a pan soap. The shopkeeper was making pan and sprinkling water on the leaves and shaking the pan leaves again and again. My father asked, why is the shopkeeper shaking the pan leaves and dipping them in water every few minutes? I replied, to keep them fresh. If he does not do this, the leaf will rot. Okay. My father laughed and said, "Well done. You understand things very well. Let's move to the next place." Wow. You also learn. You also understand what's the meaning of this story. I am also explain you. Okay. Then he took me to a horse yard where a trainer was making the horses run on the ground. Again, my father asked, "Why is the trainer forcing the horse to run?" I smiled and said, "Dear father, if a horse does not move regularly, it will become lazy and forget how to run." Wow. My father looked proud and said, "You have great knowledge, right?" I've also great knowledge. I have also, sorry. Then I asked, "Father, you are just showing me things and asking question. Please tell me the real answer. How can I learn English better?" Okay. My father laughed and said, "You already know the answer." I was confused. "What do you mean, Dad?" I asked. Then my father said in Hindi, "रोटी जली क्यों? पान सड़ा क्यों? घोड़ा अड़ा क्यों?" घोड़ा अड़ा क्यों मतलब घोड़ा खड़ा क्यों था फिर, और विद्या भूली क्यों? Then he gave the answer कि फेरा नहीं. I'm what's the meaning of this कि फेरा नहीं, like revision नहीं किया. It meant that we forget things when we don't repeat them, just like we need to turn a chapati it to cook it well, sprinkle water on pan leaves to keep them fresh, and make horses run to keep them active. We also need to revise and repeat what we learn. वाओ व्हाट अ सुपर. जिनकी भी ये बुक है ना, उन सर को मैं सच में थैंक यू बोलती हूँ. मतलब इतनी प्रॉपर वे में बनाई है ना बुक, बिल्कुल रियल लाइफ से कनेक्ट. ऐसी है ये बुक. अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो प्लीज आप मुझे कमेंट करिए. ओ सिट 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 सिट, आई एम स्पीक इन हिंदी. सॉरी 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 सॉरी, बिकॉज यार इट इज माई मदर टंग एंड इजिली नॉट फॉरगेट दिस, राइट? If you want this book, so please comment me below down and comment me. I am save with you my link. With this link I am share you link, okay, with this book. That day I understood a great lesson. If I want to learn English well, I must revise my lesson again and again and again and again and again, and you also practice again and again and again, and right. And one thing, when I started this story, and 106 is my story number, so 106, if I don't want any words meaning in Hindi, so I learn this meaning here. Actually this book is very helpful for me because first of all I am reading loudly and new vocabulary in my head in my journey, right? When I am started my learning, so first of all curious, right? A word curious, it is my new word, right? Today is my new word curious. So I don't know what the meaning of curious. So what I'm doing, if you are watching this curious, where is it? Yeah, curious. I am show you here is screenshot. तो क्यूरियस मीनिंग इज जिज्ञासु, यानी कि जानने वाला, जानने वाले में जो एक रहता है ना, जिसमें यार मुझे हिंदी नहीं बोलना, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी. क्यूरियस मीन्स इज जिज्ञासु, गेन नॉलेज, मतलब मीन्स a lot of knowledge, right? Learn knowledge. So 15 minutes, that's it, and I am learning these words etc in a proper way. I am revising evening. You just that time you learn, and you please do it also in evening time. Same routine morning time and same routine is So firstly 15 minutes is all over, correct, right? And 15 minutes again started, I am learn some new vocabulary. So I am started in this book. This is my word vocabulary, and I am starting in this 15 words every day. So how can I start? When I am started this, I am just abandoned. What's the meaning? First of all, I am learning a alphabet, like about के बारे में. I am learning about के बारे में. This book talks about the freedom struggle of India, right? About abroad, विदेश में, his eldest son is living abroad. Okay, my brother is living in abroad. Like that, you make a sentence. It's very easy, and that's it. You just learn. When are you comfortable? What are you learning? When are you comfortable in this? Learn. If you are learning one word, so please learn just one word. If you are comfortable in 10 words, learn, तो you please 10 word. ठीक है. इसमें कोई जोर जबरदस्ती नहीं है कि आपको इतने करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अदरवाइज आपको बर्डन लगेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. हमें जस्ट आई लर्न इंग्लिश विद, या with a funny way, right? So that 15 minutes I'm just this 15 to 15, 13 minutes is okay. I have just 15 minutes, and I am learning 15 minutes in. What's the main of this learning? When are you beginner, student, startup? So please don't started noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, right? You just started tenses, modals, conjunction, preposition, articles, form of words. इससे क्या होगा, आपका थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल आ जाएगा. ग्रामेटिकल आ जाएगा, आपको सेंटेंस बनाने में मजा आने लगेगा, आपको कमांड बन जाएगी, तो आप इंग्लिश बोलने में भी आपको अच्छा लगेगा. Sorry for that, I am speaking Hindi because my mother tongue is Hindi and I am not comfortable in English that time, so I am explaining in Hindi. ठीक है. But I am promise with you, I am just speak in English because I am also started my YouTube channel for English, just for English. So I am just speak in English. Please, if you are don't understand what I am saying, so please comment me. I am share with you my conclusion on this video, right? I hope you please support me. So I thought what's the feel, so I will share with you my all personal. And next 15 minutes learn any tenses. When are you comfortable, what this learn. ठीक है. तो I am just to learn tenses is because I am just to revision again and again, so that I am fluent speaking with you, and also me, you also me. So first of all, I am learned present indefinite tense. That's it. I am making too much sentences about present indefinite. I hope you like it my videos. And what's the proper reason of learn? I am say with you. So that's it today. That's it for today. And this is my day one for 21 days challenge. Start with me also, and day one is complete. And I am repeat fully this routine in evening time. If you are skip morning time, so learn evening time also, because if I am learn in a day two times, so my revision is completely done. I am not again and again revision that few in a future day, right? In a future. So I am started this journey with you because I want you also learn with me, right? So I hope you like it my videos, and like it my solution also. And this is my personally experience with you. I am speak when I am speak na front of you. This is my confidence. I know I am wrong, but I speak. So I am say you, I am pray with you, I request with you, please start. Please start. Don't say, don't watch anyone what are saying you, where WhatsApp groups are like that. You, this girl is make a video and falana. Don't care anything. Don't care anybody else. Right? Just start. Because your skills is work in your life, not anyone. Right? So I hope Are you understand what I'm saying? And this is my day one is complete, and my word is also done, because I'm already this. I am just read this. I am just recording this video. I am already done these videos. I have almost 3 to 4 days complete, and and make a short video also. I'm also make a short videos on my YouTube channel and share with you my personal experience with you, and I started with you. So I hope you like my videos. Please don't judge me, please. Yeah, support also me, because I don't know how to start and how to speak with the front of you. But I'm started because I learned these skills in my future journey. So thought I am started. And one thing, one skills also learn. If you are learn with me also, that thing I am say with you, please comment with me. And what's that skills is this, that skill is weight gain journey and at home with myself. Don't look at your background, mic, phone, etc, वगैरह वगैरह. No, you just want a phone and start in your yield, yeah, any ground, any noise, noise noises free area. Go and open your camera and start your videos. Okay, I hope you like it my videos, and please support also me. And well, till you the next video in my second day. And I am consistent with you 21 days. I'm share with you my proper videos on my long videos timing is 9 p.m, and my short video timing is 8 a.m, also 5 p.m 40 minutes 5:40, because I am just share with you my complete routine in with consistency. And I'm started just is, so that I'm started is 21 days, because I won't complete this challenge. Bye. Take care. Love you. Jai Shri Ram. And in this journey, you need a two. Actually, I show you. I'll show you. Two and one, three. Three notebooks new, because uh, I'm show you my, this is notebook my own new, completely new. And you, this is also right. So please, take it to three new notebook, and do comment me. I am take it to new notebook, and what to do in this notebooks I'll show you in the next video. So I hope you take it and do comment to me and start with me. Bye bye, take care, love you all. Jai Shri Ram. If you have any problem, any condition, so please do comment. I will share you, and I will also help with you, any help you, any ठीक है. तो